Taft at Channel 5 in Fort Worth. There for 50 years used to call the stock show weather. This week the stock show is opening up in Fort Worth. And just on time we have cold air, a chance of rain, and a chance of a wintry mix. So there you go.
There we go.
Stock show weather.
Yeah. Did you enjoy forecasting wintry mixes when you were in weather?
No, it's the hardest thing you do. The most difficult is that everyone is being very critical.
Yeah.
But, you know, at this latitude, it's very hard.
Yeah.
Extremely.
What Neil means is no pressure.
None at all.
Right.
High pressure.
Ah, there we go. I see what you did there. All right, let's go ahead and talk about live Viper radar. We are dealing with a pretty nasty storm system, and folks, it's a mess across the eastern seaboard. Severe weather, and even in the upper Midwest, they are seeing their wintry weather right now. Here in East Texas, we've been dealing with the wind and cold most of the day. Temperatures are in the 40s and 50s across the Lone Star State. We'll zoom in, and there you go. Tyler, Longview, both at 44. It's 45 in Nacogdoches, 45 in Center. Tonight, we're down to 30, not as windy, still cold. Southwest wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, forecasted to be a little bit warmer than where we were today. That's because we're going to see sunshine for most of the day. So we climb about 15 degrees warmer than where we were this afternoon. And then Thursday, it looks like we will be making a run at 70 degrees. Here's Futurecast, and we do have a new model run into the East Texas Storm Center within the last hour, so this will be different than what you saw at 5. But clear skies throughout your Wednesday, not a lot to talk about here. But as we move into Thursday, it begins to cloud up. It gets warm in the process, and we do see a storm chance as we move into Thursday evening. There's 6 o'clock, maybe a few rogue showers, but as we go throughout the evening, we get more moisture, more instability, and we do have storm chances at 10 o'clock, and then those push off to the east. Will be dry for most of your Friday and Friday afternoon. It's going to be another windy one, and it will get cold Saturday morning. I don't want to discount this before talking about the Arctic air because this is important. Thursday night, we are under a level 2 threat of severe weather. This is a slight risk, so I want you to be weather aware. Have a way on your smartphone or NOAA weather radio to wake you up just in case a warning is issued, because all modes of severe weather would be possible with the current setup. And again, that's Thursday night into early Friday morning. We're talking about maybe 10 o'clock to 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning when most of y'all will be asleep. As we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, there you go. It's true, folks. It's going to get colder next or early next week, Sunday night into Monday. That's what we're monitoring right now, and there are a lot of things. First and foremost, I am very confident that it will get very cold, perhaps the coldest air that we will see in the 2023-2024 winter season. The big question mark right now is if we do see precipitation, and if that precipitation comes in the form of freezing rain, sleet, and snow. I can tell you this, there are a lot of question marks with how much moisture we'll see in East Texas, if it will move over East Texas, or if it moves to the east of us, and then the timing of the cold air. Does it get here at the point where the rain transitions over to snow, or will the cold air already be in place when the precipitation moves through? That would end up evolving into a bigger winter weather event for us. So a lot of things are on the table. You're going to want to stay tuned to the latest forecast because there will be changes between now and then. But do not discount Thursday night. We do have a threat of severe weather Thursday night. We do dry out Friday. We will be dry this weekend, and then we're tracking that potential at a wintry mix on Monday, which looks pretty light right now. Deep East Texas, same deal. Keying in on Thursday night. We're going to watch that very carefully for you, and then lots of sunshine for the weekend before that Arctic air arrives Sunday night. Neil, Casey.
We are ready.